The question is, define a chemical reaction. Which observations help you to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not? So, what is a chemical reaction? Chemical chains are also called chemical reactions. So, chemical reaction is actually a chemical change happening. You have to find whether a new substance is formed or not. For example, H2O liquid has turned to steam, 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 H2O. Has any new substance formed here? No. So this is not a chemical reaction. This is a physical reaction. Okay. A chemical reaction will be only when a new substance will be formed. For example, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. The substances that take part in the reaction are called as reactants, and what we get is called as product. Okay. The new substances formed as a result of the chemical reaction are called as products. Okay. The products thus formed have properties which are entirely different from that of reactants. For example, this one, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Reactants are different, products is something different. Okay. Then, what do we observe when a chemical reaction takes place? Physical state normally changes. For example, it was solid, it will become liquid normally. Okay. There is a possibility that it will be liquid, it will still remain liquid, but normally physical state changes. Okay. Color also normally changes. Formation of new substance, that is precipitate. What is precipitate? Precipitate is something which will settle down. For example, if we mix two liquids and after the reaction, if we mix two liquids, for example, in this beaker, we mix two liquids. First, we pour the first liquid, L1, then second liquid, L2. Then we mix them and a reaction happens and small solid particles are formed and they will settle down here at the bottom. This will be called as precipitate. Okay. Some chemical reactions are accompanied with formation of precipitate, like this. Then evolution of gas. Usually evolution of gas also happens when a chemical reaction takes place. Okay. Formation of bubbles. In some cases, a gas may be evolved. Usually physical reaction does not involve all of these factors. And change of temperature. For example, when we mix two liquids, you might see that beaker has warmed up. Okay. So that means change of temperature. So this is all the observations which happen usually in a chemical reaction. Okay. I hope it's all clear to you.